In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to public account on Instagram. So if your Instagram account is set to private to hide your Instagram followers and following list, you can easily switch back to the public account to make your following and followers fixable to all Instagram users. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So when you want to switch back to public from private on Instagram, all you need to do is open the Instagram application. While on the Instagram page, click on the profile icon and make sure you access your Instagram page just like this. Now, if you're a content creator or you're using a business account or professional account, there's no need to switch on from public to private because your account is already public. Now, if your Instagram account is private, then you want to make it public, all you need to do is click on this menu icon, scroll down to who can see your content and click on account privacy. Then here, turn off private account, then switch to public account, then tap switch to account. Then once you hit switch to public, your Instagram account will be made public and both your followers and following lists will be fixable to all Instagram users. So this is how you can easily switch from private accounts to public account on Instagram. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.